If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Steam Deck, follow these simple steps to disable it. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Access Steam settings. Open the Steam application on your Steam Deck. Navigate to the top left corner and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Go to Voice Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Voice tab on the left side. Click on it to access the voice chat settings where you can manage your voice chat preferences. Step 3. Disable voice chat. Within the voice settings, find the option that says Enable voice chat or similar, and check this option to disable voice chat functionality on your Steam Deck. Step 4. Save changes. After disabling voice chat, make sure to click the OK or Apply button to save your changes. This will ensure that the settings are updated accordingly. Step 5. Restart Steam. To finalize the changes, close the Steam application completely and then reopen it. This will ensure that the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to disable voice chat on your Steam Deck. If you encounter any further issues, consider checking for updates or consulting the Steam support forums for additional assistance.